Well, here's Putin the cat. I'm going to go over a WaterPik. Actually, this thing is one of the better things to get. You know, everybody does flossing and everything. WaterPik is your number one tool, and it comes with, this is the classic one. I decided to get the classic one, but basically this one here, if you use this version, this is like the really strong WaterPik. Tells you to put it on the lowest setting because it's got a lot of power. Now, what you want to use on that is hydrogen peroxide. Now, this is way, 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 way better than flossing by a million miles. And you just put some in there. Now, this has a smaller container that you can just put like medicine in, but this is like the standard one. And the way you use it, basically, is you just turn it on. And, you know, I'm over here. So, you just turn it on. You pull this out. It's got a little handle in there. And bring this down all the way down to the bottom first, and you plug it in, and that's it. Turn it on, and you got the screen. It scares the hell out of the cat. That's it. So there's your switch on this side. So you would actually take it for, you know, but I really can't give a good demonstration with the camera because the camera would just get wet. But this thing is one of the better things to definitely have because it's far, far, far more effective than flossing and brushing by far. I mean, I just repeated that. And if you add hydrogen peroxide to it, you know, this stuff costs you, what, $1 for this thing. That's all it is. It's actually going to get under the gums. It's going to cause, you know, any kind of like gingivitis or anything like that. If you have a problem with that, that'll cure it basically if you use this long enough. And the thing is, well, it's a great, you know, a lot of people just aren't doing it because they're sold on flossing and brushing. They're sold on flossing and brushing. And this is, I forget what this is. It's not that much money. There's a couple versions. I got the classic version. I figured, well, what the heck's the classic version? What takes a difference, really? And, I mean, even the other version's like not much more. It's like $10 more or something. But I just figured, keep it simple, stupid. That's usually what I like, you know. But, and the container, if you take the container off, it's got like a rubber grommet on there. And if you want to wash this, you in a dishwasher or something like that, you make sure you take this rubber grommet out. If you take this container off, I can't really get it with one hand. It comes out really easy, but no water will pour out of there. So when you fill this up, that hole is not dripping water out, and until you press it down and it makes contact in here, then the water will come out, you know, as you use it. And I seem to use the standard one the most. Not on the lowest setting, but maybe this in the middle or just one up from the lowest setting. That's where I tend to use it the most. But you basically want to have this like next to your mouth, like you know, right here, you know, right? And do it that way because otherwise you know, you want to start it when it's like next to your mouth, or else it's going to go all over the place. But it's great. It's great. It's great because, you know, there's a lot of it's been shown, and I don't know why the dentists don't recommend this because actually what would happen is everybody had this, they probably wouldn't need to go do teeth cleaning every 6 months. Probably not, because this is a very, very, very effective tool, and it's known, but it's not really commonly used. It's very well worth it. I forget what this was. I don't want to say the price. $30? I forgot what the hell it is. I don't remember. It's not much. You know, and I think the souped up version's like $50 or less or something. I forgot what it is, but it's not much. It's not much at all. Very well worth it. Very well worth it.